I'm going to transform the graph of the function y equals f of x, shown here, into the graph of the function y equals the absolute value of f of x minus 1. So the first step in the transformations is to deal with the negative 1 in the new equation. A negative 1 subtracted from all of f of x means that it's going to be translated 1 unit downwards. So I found some points here on f of x and labeled them that the transformations can be performed on. They are negative 1, 1, 0, 0, and 1, 1. So starting with the point 0, 0, to move it 1 unit downwards, it's going to become 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1 is right here. And that's the first point on y equals f of x minus 1. The next point, negative 1, 1, will become negative 1, 0, since 1 is being subtracted from the y values. Negative 1, 0. And that's the second point. For the third point, 1, 1, you are again subtracting 1 from the y values to get 1, 0. 1, 0. And there, the 3 points have been translated 1 unit downwards. And to keep the general shape of the parabola, it would look something like that. There. So that's the first transformation, is a translation of 1 unit downwards. The next translation is to take the absolute value of the whole function. So what that does is it makes all of the y values positive. And so making all the y values positive is going to reflect anything below the x-axis above the x-axis, and anything on the x-axis will stay where it is, on or above. So here there's only one point which is below the x-axis, one marked point, 0, negative 1. That will get reflected up to 0, positive 1. 0, positive 1 is right here. And all the other points stay the same. Negative 1, 0. And 1, 0. So these are the 3 points now on the final equation, y equals f of x minus 1. And so what the final graph looks like is the parabola coming down as being reflected in the middle, and it goes back up. And we're done.